हाय यू गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज मी शालिनी। कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे, प्यारे होंगे। सो एज दिस इज द मंथ ऑफ लव एंड ऑल्सो इट्स माय बर्थडे मंथ, सो आई गॉट अ फ्यू ड्रेसेस फ्रॉम मीशो दैट यू कैन वेयर ऑन योर बर्थडे और वैलेंटाइंस डे. These dresses are just perfect for both the occasions. And also guys, I just made a reel for Valentine's Day, so I did this look and there were a lot of something happening. So I really didn't have the energy to remove this again and put makeup on again. So yeah, please ignore this pink and whatever is going on in. So starting off with our first dress, which is the dress that I'm wearing right now. Such a beautiful piece and the color just looks very beautiful. It's a dark pink dress. It is such a perfect birthday dress. It has a slight cutout in the tummy area and also has a slit. And also the material of this dress is very lightweight. It is in the fabric Lyra, but it's very like light, very comfortable material. And I really like this dress. The frills in the shoulders makes it so beautiful. And yeah, I just love this dress. And I also love this drawstring thing that is happening in the chest area. It even makes the dress even more pretty. So yeah, I love this dress and it is priced at 475 rupees. And I got it in size M and it fitted me perfectly. अभी नेक्स्ट जो मैं आपको ड्रेस दिखाने वाली हूँ वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा क्यूट सा ड्रेस है. सो दिस इज हाउ द ड्रेस लुक्स लाइक. इट इज़ अ क्यूट रेड ड्रेस. इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट ड्रेस और इस पर ना ऐसे छोटे छोटे हार्ट्स बने हुए हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है. इट्स अ वेरी क्यूट ड्रेस और इस पर ऐसे फ्रिल्स भी है. आई रियली लव्ड दिस ड्रेस. पर इसका ना नेक वी नेक था तो आई रियली हैड टू कीप ऑन एडजस्टिंग बिकॉज थोड़ा सा डीप नेक था और थोड़ा सा क्लीवेज भी दिख रहा था. सो आई हैड पुट दिस टेम्पररी वाइट क्लोथ इनसाइड ताकि थोड़ा ऐसा रहे and I didn't have to keep on adjusting it. So yeah, I love this dress but the neck was a bit bothering me. If you are okay then you can wear this one. And it is the lowest priced item of this haul. It is just for rupees 288. You are getting a dress in just 288 rupees. It is such a steal deal. ऑल्सो इन सभी ड्रेसेस के साथ ना मैंने ये जीवा की ईयरिंग डाली हुई थी. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था एंड इट लुक रियली प्रिटी. आई रियली लव सच मिनिमल ईयरिंग्स. लुक्स very elegant. Now moving on to our third item of this haul, which is this dress. I really could not believe that this is from Meesho because the fitting and everything was just so perfect. So this is the dress. It is a strappy red dress. It is a very simple, very elegant dress. The material is really good. It is again in Lyra fabric and it is a strappy red dress. It is a bodycon dress and it hugged my body so perfectly. I have some hip dips but it did not show up at all. And yeah, I really like this dress. It is a very simple elegant dress. You can go for this one for Valentine's Day or even you can wear it on your birthday. और इसके जो straps है ना वो adjustable straps है. I really like this dress. Looked very pretty and elegant and yep, you can go for this one. And it is priced at 307 rupees. Oh god, the prices are so low that I really get shocked. Now moving on to our fourth dress, which is this dress. Now this dress is something that I really liked but I was very uncomfortable in it because the neckline of this dress was literally here and I really do not wear this kind of dresses, so I was very uncomfortable in it and I had to keep on adjusting. And you can see the try on is also like very short क्योंकि मुझे बार ना ऐसे pull करना पड़ रहा था. So I had to keep the try on very short. So yeah, if you like it then you can go for this one. The material and everything is very nice and it actually looks very pretty because the color and everything is very beautiful. Also the floral print makes it look so feminine and it is priced at 353 rupees. Now let's move on to our fifth item, which is also our last item of this haul. So this is a full sleeve red dress. I really wanted to try this type of dresses. I have seen Trendylite / Alfia wearing these kind of dresses and she looks so beautiful in those modest dresses. So I really wanted to try this and it actually looks very beautiful, so modest and classy. So yeah, if you're not into this kind of exposed dresses then you can go for this one. Very beautiful simple piece and looks very elegant. And yeah, I really love the full sleeve thing. And what else to say about this dress? It is a very simple dress. There is nothing going on in the entire dress and I got it in size M but it was slightly loose on me. So if you're thinking to get this dress then go for a size down. I think it will look even more better if it hugs you properly. So yeah, and it is priced at 407 rupees. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I really hope you have got something for you from this video, and if you like my videos, then kindly subscribe my channel. Even one subscribe motivates me a lot, so please subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.